What's up? How's everyone doing? I'm getting there. I'm getting there. I explained it to my friend earlier as it feels like there's just a pressure in my skull. But it is getting better and it is now it is time. Let's get this party. Shush. Let's get this party started. Sorry, all the party dolls were going off. So. Oh, first thing is first. Let's mark out the London high and London low. I'm trying not to overcomplicate things. Trying. I'm gonna make it a little bit less. Okay. Oh, boom, you caught that cell. Well done. Where was your entry at? Yeah, where was your entry at? Sorry. Why is it that you always feel a little bit worse at night? Oh, nice. Okay. I see you now sent it to me. That looks really, really good. Okay, watching here, I'm trying to make it less complicated. I'm trying to make it less complicated. Curiosity is getting the best of me, so I'm gonna do this. Okay. That's all I wanted to do. Now I'm gonna leave it alone. So, Captain to Midnight, that theoretically I should take off Midnight as well. Hey, boom. It's okay. Yeah, okay, Wi-Fi is happening. Well, marked out some major points. Sorting this out soon. Done and done. Again, I'm sick getting toasty. I don't know why it's so hot in here. Oh well, let's do this. I guess I can't complain about it being nice and warm. So, first things first. Well, I say first things first. I've marked out everything from this morning. It didn't exactly move much, did it? It actually barely flipping moved. Stuck in a little bit of a range during London. Boom, got in on that short. Well done. Flip, I hope it now actually moves during New York. Better move during New York. This is like my New York session. We've got this. Well, I hope so anyways. 9:19, 10 minutes to go. Okay, let's do a top to bottom analysis quickly. Like I said, I'm trying to not overcomplicate it too much today. Okay, so does look like further down is the web. What's up, OTT? It's getting there. It's getting there. It's frustrating, but it's getting there. What's up, Atlanta? What do you mean 69? What's happening? Hi. So what I was saying was it feels like there's a pressure in my skull that needs to go away. Apart from that, I feel fine, which is irritating. What will make me feel better, OTT? I'm listening. Account value. Yeah, I remember I had that little loss, Atlanta. For our number 69, that does I have a thing against. Why? What do you have against that? Never heard a guy ever say that. Anyways. If it was 6-7, I would get it. Okay. Wow, that looks bad. So what is this? What is going on? Come on. Let's give us something good today. What happened? Monday was crazy and now today is like meh. Literally meh. A lack of full port. Maybe. You're not wrong. Am I okay? Yeah, I'm good. Why boom do I not look okay? I get it. I am good. I'm good, boom. Like I said, the pressure's just irritating, but I'll be fine. I'm trying my best. Do you know what I think it is? I think it's a bit of a contradiction. I think being in bed doesn't help my neck, which doesn't help with the headache, but I need to be in bed and take medicine and sleep to try and get better. My body's conflicted. It's like, yeah, we gotta do things, but I can't anyway. For the last New York session at this spot. Yeah, this is the last New York session for the spot. It was long. I think I won't trade NQ today. Okay, OTT. OTT might not trade. Okay. Let's see what happens. Right, let's see what happens. It's the last New York session in the spot. It's weird to be able to do this. But it's the last New York session in the spot. Oh, sorry. So let's see if we can get a banger. Either a banger or get closer and closer to blowing the fund. At this point, meh. Let's see what happens. What's up, Richard? Happy Wednesday. It's getting there. For anyone that's just hopped on.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Let's do this. 9:24. Okay, 6 minutes to go. Sorry, let me respond. Okay, that was a bit of a large candle. 25, 5 minutes. Let's see what happens. Did you check your Discord? Debbie, I feel like, what's happening? What are you guys talking about? Y'all being sneaky. Oh, do you guys think this is gonna continue going sideways? Please say no. Please say we're actually gonna get some movement. Please, 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 please. It would be nice to get some movement. That's all I'm saying. $9.26. Okay, 4 minutes. Okay, let's do a poll. I don't think lots of people are going to be super chatty today. That's fine. Damn, Debbie really takes these and goes challenge accepted and sees what she can do. I love it. What am I doing? Let's see. What's up, Bob? How are you? I want to see what y'all think. This is gonna be sideways for New York. I'm hoping not. And I had some fun with the background doing a room reveal. Check, no more green screen. Nothing. One vote doesn't count. I hit the first button I saw. Oh, well, it's a 50-50 on what we think it's gonna do. Why did you just hit the first button you saw? Oh my gosh. Okay, 2 minutes to go. Oh, please, let's not stay choppy today. Today is not the day to be choppy. Today is the day to move it. SpaceX and out at the rave? What? Man, that was quick, Atlanta. That was very, very quick. I will give you that. That was very quick. And 28. You're not okay today. You're sounding a bit different. Am I a twin sister of Maya? That is so funny. How do I sound different? Is it because I'm sick? Was it because I'm not as lively? I'm waiting for the medicine to kick in. It should have kicked in, but I'm waiting for the medicine to kick in. Nothing is gonna stop this move. I will drive down being as sick as anything, but I am driving down. But being sick is still a pain in the butt, don't get me wrong. Okay, so far the no's are winning for if we think that it is going to be sideways today. I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see what happens here. That is all we can do. Wait and see what happens. Oh, speaking of, actually, in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, let's go. Hello! Look who it is! There's a Perry. Hello, big boy. Hello.
Okay, he's gonna go lie down and chill. Okay, that's a decent candle to open. Okay. A little bit of sell side liquidity. Yes, I still have the liquidity up. I still have the liquidity. I'm gonna get rid of it as it's taken though. I have decluttered everything a little bit. I'm trying. I'm giving it a go. I'm decluttering the charts, going back to basics. And seeing how it goes. Okay, here's the 930 chart. 930 chart. 930 candle. Definitely not a flipping chart. This is my last New York session here. How wild. Don't know if some of you have clocked that, but yeah, this is my last New York session here. I will not be here tomorrow for New York. I won't be here Friday. Just trade the old, you'll be fine. 15-minute, right, Bob? Nomad, what's up? Good morning. How are you doing? Okay, let's see if we get a first presented fair value gap. Sorry if I'm not as chatty. I'm gonna focus a little bit, which is weird. Here we go. I hate it when I got it right. What an odd brag. What do you mean you hate it when you got it right? No, just I'm moving. So no more live streaming from here. I will still be back tomorrow for London. And then I gotta pack up everything, guys. I mean, as you can see, it's already pretty empty. Oh wee! Hello. Hello there. Holy moly. Well then, that was something. We might just go up now. Oh my word. Let's see if it continues to do that, because that was insane. How big was this jump? Oh, just a casual 148 point candle right there. Good grief. Well, alrighty then. Cool. Anyone get in on that quick pump? What's up, Boom? Why are you saying Maya? Why are you Maya-ing me? Okay, here's the first presented. Is that too much clutter? If I mark up the first presented, I feel like it might be too much. I'm trying not to be so clutterful. What about an entry at VWAP? For a long. Well, messaging him is then. Would you be down to see how many spicy noodles you can eat? I've done it. It's a disaster. But I have done it. Boom, I'm assuming that you've done it. Also, I'm so bad with spicy things. What a random thing. What made you think about that? But the 2 times spicy. I've had like the hottest one, the red one before. Is it? Which one is it? I think I've had the 3 times, if I'm not mistaken. Or was it the 2 times? Was it the... I don't know which one it was. But it was spicy. So you're gonna walk me through your thought process there, Boom, or not really? Okay. No. We should do random creature of the day for New York session. Okay. What random creature were you thinking of? So it sounds like you had a random creature in mind. So anything in specific? Like Bigfoot? Oh, like mythical? Maybe I've upset some people by saying that, but mythical? Okay, I have a fun one. We're gonna spin a wheel. I think everyone is trading right now, no one's speaking. I mean, probably. I think they're watching and waiting for this right here. What if they blew their accounts? Boom, did you get in a trade? Or Bigfoot has a chance of being real, same as the sea monsters. Okay, well shall we spin a wheel? I found a wheel to spin. I mean, we're still watching this. First percent was there, didn't quite come back far enough down. If this starts to break up, it could be a potential goodie for a buy. Boom, you're being cynical, wondering if people are blowing their accounts on this. Do you think everyone saw this and just took buys and now it's obviously being a little bit choppy? I mean, it is possible. I think a lot of people are just really focused right now. Okay, let's see how this reacts here. Well, at least it's moving more than it did for London session. Let's look on the bright side. Definitely moving more. But slowly. Does that make sense? Like it's moving. There's bigger movement. It's just doing it slowly. I'm managing the possible sea monsters we don't know about. I don't disagree with that. I think the whole ocean has not been explored, obviously. So there's bound to be plenty of things that we don't know about that are out there. Like, I'm not convinced that the megalodons, right? Those giant sharks aren't still out there. Which is also kind of terrifying. If that thing had to pop up, I'd just be like, okay, I guess it's my time. I think it's wild that we haven't explored all of the ocean, but apparently gone into space. I think that's wild. And it leaves like questions like, why? Right? Why? But I don't know if we quite want to get into this debate. This is going to be another one of those debates. Okay, potentially now we're going sells. Hasn't quite tapped into VWAP on ES. Rejected slightly. How's this looking? What's the time looking like? I think this is going to be the 15-minute range. I mean, there's so much about the ocean we don't know. That's why the sea monsters we don't know about. That's true. Yeah, I'm just going to the bottom of the marine trench and find it all. It's dark as heck there. How do you see anything? Like, in the videos I do see where they go deep down, it looks so dark. I'm like, you can't see a damn thing. Optimus Robot's gonna walk down there with a long tone on. I don't even know what that is. So I'm just gonna nod my head and be like, yes. Okay, so that would have been a loss. 941. We're gonna break out of this. You need some Why? Are you saying I look pale? That's weird. I've never been told that. Let me actually send this. Shame, my one friend trying to say that we must organize a goodbye. I look pale. Maybe it's because I'm sick. Oh, but as you said that, I was like, yeah, it's because I'm sick. Makes sense. I also haven't seen a lot of sunlight recently. Okay, let's try English again. I usually obviously always see the sun when I'm riding horses, but obviously haven't been able to do much for like 3 months. I'm so excited to be able to go and start riding again. It's not even funny. I cannot wait to start feeling a quote-unquote normal again. This is so irritating. Anyways, SMT created there, took out this liquidity. Let's see now what we do. Is this the 15-minute? Not yet. Okay, should we do a random one? Let's do this for funsies. Okay, ready? And go. Werewolf. Yeah, everyone knows what a werewolf is. Let's try another one. Let's see if we can get a more random creature. Ooh, a kelpie is good. What about a kelpie? I like kelpies. Let's do a kelpie. I spelled that wrong. Did I? No, the Scottish folklore. I did. I spelled it a little bit wrong. We owe you an explanation. Okay, anyways. Let me quickly see what the charts are doing. Ooh, this could maybe be... Let's wait for confirmation on this. If we start to get a bit of a trend going, that's not just up and down. Literally up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Maybe we can get in on this. So, kelpie is Scottish folklore. Kelpie or water, kelpie. Kelpie is a Scottish Gaelic. It's a mythical shape-shifting spirit inhabiting lochs in Scotland. Legend of the shape-shifting water horses. Okay. But then do they believe that the Loch Ness monster's a kelpie? It's usually described as a grey or white horse-like creature able to adopt human form. Some accounts state that the kelpie retains its hooves when appearing as a human, leading its association with the Christian idea of Satan. Huh. But the most extensively reported is that of the Loch Ness. Okay, so technically the Loch Ness monster, the kelpie. Interesting. See, I didn't know that. You learn something new every day. Sorry, you've never heard of that. Never heard of which part, Debbie? The kelpie? Let's see what happens. Hey, what's up, King Corbin? How are we doing? Nope. Yes, but I've heard of Nessie. Well, it looks like that. What's up, Life Sound? How you doing? I don't know, Boom said let's do a random creature. And a kelpie popped up. So we're looking up a kelpie and it looks like a kelpie technically is like the Loch Ness monster. Which is interesting. I don't know that. I'm waiting to see if this has any trend or if it's just trending sideways right now. How you doing, Lifestyle? Did you get any trades in? How you feeling? How's it going? A lot of people don't think that the sideways is going to continue during New York, but so far, this is not promising. Oh, boom. But yeah, oh no, I'm losing my voice. Can we hear me? Oh, this is gonna be fun. Testing. Oh, this is about to be so funny. Didn't get anything in the morning, but currently sitting waiting on a longer if we respect 5-minute gap. Okay. If we respect the 5-minute gap is the key word there. 9:48. Oh, it got close. It did get close there. Okay, took out Asia low and the relative equal lows now. And it's about to take the low on ES, so is this going to be the turning point, or is this where the trend just continues to do its thing? And we're just going to go with it. So that's the 15-minute. So I'm going to delete the 9:30. Come in. This is the 15-minute orb. I'm checking something out. So don't mind me. I'm checking something out. Woo. Okay. Proper retest now is expected. And after that, let's see. Da-dun, da-dun, da-da. Ba-da-da-da. I feel like everyone is trading. That's why everyone's being just extra quiet. Is everyone good? Damn, are you guys okay? I don't think you guys have ever been this quiet. Which is weird. Just putting it out there. Completely weird that you guys are being so quiet. Ooh, was that the push? Life sound, was that the push? You're weird. That wasn't very nice, was it? Yeah, gotta get your grammar correct over there, Boom. Disgusting. Well, clearly I'm feeling better because this didn't take as long as yesterday when I was feeling yucky. Your yesterday waiting for 10 a.m. to come around when I had that headache was not fun. Hopefully get a point to jump on this push. I know, Lifeson, I'm also looking at this. I really don't know. I really don't know. I mean, I have tried to get rid of the clutter, as you can see, and now I'm just watching. We're gonna jump. Oh, Boom says we're gonna jump. A lot of people are keen on buys. This is about to be very entertaining. Sorry, I actually just want that out the way. Nearly took out the high on ES. So ES is pushing properly. High is taken on ES. Harry is snoring in the background. I don't know if you can hear him. But he's snoring solidly. Okay, took out the high on ES. This is just going. Life sound, I don't know if you got in on that or not. Took out all the sell side liquidity. So to see it pushing for the buy side won't be surprising. Do you know what I didn't do? I didn't draw this out. I have those just to watch out for. 800 we dump. Okay, Boom says here 800. Sorry. Die. Bye. So Boom says here at 800 we dump. Call me curious. I don't know, it's frustrating me. I was hoping to jump in at around 7 or 40, 5. I'm gonna tap my stop loss by a tick. Oh, that's like my trade this morning. Lifetime, what the heck? Sometimes it really does feel like the chart's out to get us. I know it's not. We are such little insignificant little fishies. Doesn't care, but when it does stuff like that, damn. Yeah, that feels personal. It feels a bit like a personal attack. Like, I would much rather have it that if you take out my stop loss, you just continue so that I know that I was just wrong. Not that I was right and that it was just rude. It felt personal. Maybe there are. Maybe you've been lying to me. Maybe Life Sound is actually just a really, really big fish in this market. And he has been lying the whole time. And the market makers are just out to get him. I can see that happening. I can see that being a thing. Can you tell the medication's starting to kick in? I can speak like a normal person again. It's so much easier when it hits your stop loss and carries on. Yeah, like if it's gonna take me out, I want to make sure I'm wrong. Not that I'm right and just bad luck, sucks to be you. I mean, I've upset a few people. Undoubtedly, there we go. Life sounded, it's all starting to make sense. I don't know who you pissed off, but go say sorry. That's all I can say. Oh, please don't let Boom be right. I would have hit my stop loss. Don't let Boom be right again. He doesn't need that. Took out the high. This is doing seek and destroy stuff. Which sucks. Makes me want to do dumb things like just mark it in. Just with one contract for a sell, for it to go take out the low. Because why not? Boom is always right. Ah, it didn't hit 800. I'm just saying. It didn't hit 800. That's all I'm gonna say. Do with that information what you will. Oh no. I might have to go make myself a cup of tea and see if it helps my voice, or else we're about to be streaming with a voiceless person. Which can be quite funny. Actually. Maybe no voice is the way to go. That will be very entertaining. Like, even when you want to shout, it just doesn't happen. Do 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 do. Okay. Still nothing. I'm curious about this, Deb. Okay. Nothing there. Wait. Wait. I like it. Okay. Bob says, we ball. You waiting for it to take out the high? If I'm not mistaken, right? And go up? Is that correct? I want to say screw it. And take this. I want to take the short. It's more than I would normally risk, but do we care that much right now? No, we don't. Might be a loss, but it is what it is. And all the way down there. Ah, whoopsies, I didn't mean to touch that. Ah, I did not mean to touch that, my bad. Yeah, let's see. Let's see, Bob. Let's see if it takes me in or not. It looks like it maybe won't come and get me, though. I did not mean to move that. There we go. There's a 50% retracement. Looks like it might continue down. If it takes out... Aw. Pity. Okay, I didn't quite tap into there. It is rejecting off of this ES. If it taps into VWAP on ES, I'll then call it. Why do we have the same curtains? Do we, Ninja? Do we have the same curtains? Are we twinning? That's cool. Ah. Okay, mistagging me in, but it was correct idea. And I feel like the important bit is that I place the trade. But yeah, just missed coming to tag me in. Rude. Ugh, well, pity. Looks like you've become a South African statistic. Oh, that's hilarious. How's it going? Yeah, Ninja, it's going. I don't quite know what else to say. It's just going. Tapped into VWAP there on ES now. Ah, it was the 10 a.m. candle. Pity. Could have been a nice little quick trade if it had tagged in. Oh well. Yeah, same. It's okay, Bob. We wait for the next, right? I'm trying, like I said, I'm trying to not overcomplicate it. I'm doing my best. Might be my first red day of the month. What happened, OTT? $25-day win streak coming to an end. 25-day win streak. I need you to not talk to me. You're looking better, or are you just hyping up the meds? It's a little bit of both. I think I'm a oh, damn it. I think I'm a little bit better, but I am still taking meds. And .02. Okay, well, 10 a.m. has now happened. Let's see if we get something else. Right. We sits and we waits for an opportunity to present itself. We had one. Didn't come and get us. That's fine. Now we wait and see if there's a second opportunity. I'm trying to not be dumb, but to be bold at the same time. No, not yet. Tomorrow's Thursday, guys. What the heck? Tomorrow is Thursday. Even your tiles are the same. No ways, Ninja. I feel like you're lying. Well, I'm about to move now, so then it's gonna be completely different. Maybe I'm just a proper typical South African. Is that what it is? To be fair, these are like the only red curtains I have. I don't even know why I put them up. Weather is at like 31, but the lying, it's hotter than that. Feels like 35. Oh my gosh, Deb. Did you at least have a good day? OTT also didn't answer me. What happened? Do it. Okay, moving on. Carrying on. I'm waiting for Ninja's pick. I'm literally waiting with bated breath. Yeah, I'm mostly ruined. I'm jealous. Honestly, chill dude, how you doing? How's it going? Good to think so. He said he will pay for that bot when I make it. That's coming, OTT. I don't know where OTT's gone. I think he was just like, nah, I'm upset, I'm out. End of story. Sorry, I'm just looking at this quickly. Theoretically, I could have still taken this, but I don't know if I would have. Okay, waiting. Watching. Waiting. Commiserating. Saying it so. I will not go. Shame, my poor friend is like, no, I want to do something with you. Maybe we can go do karaoke and stuff. I'm like, I don't even have a voice to speak right now, but sure, we can do karaoke, I guess. I might do the sound of silence. Get it? Ah, I'm funny. Anyways, I know I'm the only one that thinks I'm funny, but still. I'm still waiting for Ninja's response. Watching what this does here. 10:06. Wait. You tagged a different Maya. I think. No? No, you didn't. I don't think. I'm very confused right now. Why did it not pop up for me then? That's weird. I don't know. It didn't pop up for me as a notification. Oh my gosh! These are exactly the same. That is hilarious. That is so funny. Yep, we are stereotypical South Africans. I don't know why it didn't pop up for me. That's very weird. Oh well. But yes. Ninja, sorry. That distracted me now. Twinsies for life? It's not looking good, guys. Oh no, OTT, what happened? TT. Oh, interesting. Waiting for it to break over here. Okay, I'm watching. I'm watching, Bob. This cough is so irritating. Why did he stop the tilt before it takes over, dude? There we go. Ninja got your back. Ninja's coming at you with facts. I mean, that's low-key irritating, but it's fine. Oh, the head. Oh, okay, so it's still the same trade. You only took one long, and you're still in it. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It could still happen. It's still possible. Going, still kind of going. These wiki wicks make me feel like the DJ keeps scratching. Shout out to Jay. I'm so sick and tired of being sick, man. Okay, we're okay. Just give me a little trade. Just a little one's enough. Please. I want to do another spin of the wheel for funsies. Let's see, yeah, these wicks are driving me crazy. The heck is a Thunderbird? Has anyone taken anything else? We know OTT's in a long. I know Bob's waiting for a long. Anyone take a little short? Yeah, did anyone else take anything else? This is driving me a little bit mental. I got wrecked on paper. That does kind of count. What happened? There's a flat booty boy. That's actually right about that. That was really good, Ninja. I enjoyed that. That was awesome. And it was my last full day. I wanted a good market. Why are we being a bad market? Bad market, be better. Can you imagine? Can you imagine that worked and it started moving properly? I would actually start giggling. I mean, the time is actually going by quite quickly right now. Just this thing irritates me. I don't know if you remember how long ago this thing happened. It's still... I don't know if you can see how obvious now. It's such a weird spot. I have to like break my arm to show it to you. So irritating. And some days it's sore, some days it's itchy. It's been months, guys. Testing this new thinning strat of mine didn't hold up in these conditions. Oh dear. To be fair, sideways conditions just generally don't hold up very well. Okay, I got you. I know exactly what you're talking about. When you say play the sound for Debbie, I'm just like, got it. As if she's already not feeling it. Let's do this. It's so funny. What's up? Wow, wow, okay. What's up, Fish Doctor, is what I was trying to say. How are you? Have you just been, like, lurking in the background, being quiet? Or did you just hop on now, at that moment, when I played that? Don't be a little lurker. I know everyone's being a little bit extra quiet recently, but you don't have to be. Let's see here. 745156. Is this it? I think this is the longest trade OTT has been in. Oh my gosh. I'm starting to realize how much noise I make in this chat. To be fair, Ninja, everyone's extra quiet today, so don't worry. I don't know why everyone is extra quiet. I think everyone's really focused for a change of pace. Is that what's happening? I think when I try not to mention it, so I don't want to see like I'm laughing. And everyone's lost, I'm strictly sad of nothing else good. Nice fish doctor. Oh, don't worry, I'm apparently just lost all English capabilities recently. So that was a quick trade for you then, fish doctor. I'm just over here waiting. Had a setup earlier. Didn't tag me in. If I had kept it going, would have tagged in. Huh. Would have actually eventually been a winning trade. Eventually being the keyword there. Is OTT still in this thing? He's being awfully quiet, so I'm assuming he's focusing. I pimped out my backtesting. Should probably not break this. Keep messing around with that. Let's not break that. So Debs, what did you get up to today in the heat? Did you do nothing? Did you go out and do some cool stuff? Yeah, what did you get up to? Now I can run my 18 strats in parallel. What? Okay. 18 strats. That's insanity. What the heck, man? Dink. Dink dink. So, what's up, everybody? I'm going full quant mode. Okay. Let's do a butterfly. Ow! My damn knuckle. Okay, are we ready? Butterfly of the day. Seeming as this is not moving. The Gulf Fritillary butterfly. How cool, both on the inside and the outside, is this butterfly. Look at the little worm as well. But yeah, this is butterfly of the New York day. How cool. And little caterpillar is cool as well. He looks like my personality, all spiky and stay back. Find out some information on this bad boy. It's a very large photo. Okay. The Gulf Fritillary, I feel like I'm not saying that correctly, is sometimes known as the passion butterfly, so named because of its ardor or passion flower. The heck is ardor? Anyways. So it's part of the brush-footed butterfly family, referring to the genetic trait of short hairs on the front of its legs. Okay. Fun fact, they have a rapid, erratic flight and generally stay above human eye level until they are attracted to a flowering plant down below. That was a kind of fun fact, I think. Habitat, so where are they from? Southern United States, from Florida and Georgia west through California. Outside of the US, they are broad-ranging species found throughout Mexico, Central America, the Caribbean, and into South America. There we go. Can go through the whole journey if you want. Fun fact, butterflies can be found in 67 counties of Florida. Huh. There we go. Okay, that was kind of interesting. Anyways, pointers. That's our butterfly of the day. Let's go back to the charts. Did I miss anything? Nope. That's not a CGI butterfly. Damn. Okay, wait. Should I try? Okay, Debbie, do you want to pick a butterfly? Fingers crossed for me, everyone. What's up, Baza? How you doing? No, you know, if you can put your strategy into words with clearly defined parameters, that can break it my list of strats and give you statistics in it. Deb, I think Emerson, pick a butterfly for funsies. Go on, do it, do it, do it. Uh-oh, I think OTT had a little loss over here. Give me a second. Okay, I'm back, and I've missed nothing. No let Boom, otherwise I'll just Google one. To be fair, that's what Boom does. I'm pretty sure Boom Googles cool butterflies and then gives me a butterfly. I think. I could be mistaken, but that's what I think he does. Oh, come on. Let's ask. Hello. Hello, handsome. Okay, okay. Okay. Sorry, Perry literally was a little bit bossy there. What's up? You okay? Is this all weird? Yeah. He doesn't like it when we move. You're okay. Look at the little bean booty butt. Oh, okay, he's pushing me. Do 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 do. I don't know if that's gonna come back that far. Let's see. Let's see if this breaks up. See that Google wasn't doing these videos. I'm not getting booted out. What? No? Yeah. That's very irritating. Me CGI butterfly. They'll go on then, Deb. Let's see. Let's see. Sure. The market be a hater tonight. Seriously? Oh, Fiasco, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, what's up? So I'm just watching this. I don't know if it's gonna give me an opportunity. Yeah, I don't know if this is gonna give me an opportunity today. Can't say I didn't try earlier though. It's just not letting me. Are you printing money? Nice. Must be nice. Just ignore Barry. This is fine. Ah, not so much. Not so much. But you know what? We continue. We go and we grow. These type of market conditions don't work so well with me, so here we are. Just waiting and watching. I wanted today to be a good day, and it's not a good day, which is making me sad. Let's see. We still have a little bit of time. Nearly half past. Let's give it until. I should try micro scalping. What would be my micro scalping? Queen Alexandra's birdwing. This is a butterfly? Okay. Interesting name. Have we not done this? I don't think we have we? No. I mean, it's cool as heck. It's what firms ban. Oh, okay, there we go. See, I use prop firms. So maybe not a great idea to do that. Debbie picked this one. Queen Alexandra's birdwing butterfly. It is the largest butterfly. It does look like CGI though. Look at that. What is that? Not that one. That's not how it looks. Looks like that, which is crazy. It does look fake. Are we sure that's not fake? I'm pretty sure it's not fake, but it does look fake. Look at that. It is the largest butterfly in the world. With females boasting a massive wingspan of 31 centimeters, 12 inches. How big is... What? It's like this big. What? No. Guys, that is insane. Oh my gosh. Okay. I was not expecting that, guys. I'm so sick and tired of being sick. Okay, but is this it? Let me quickly see Bob's trade over here. Potentially this is it. Nice. Okay. Let's see. That's what she said. Second trade is break even with partial or not? So OTT, are you, how do I put this? Are you tilting or are you taking a legit trade? Asking for a friend. Did I get your Discord? I did not. Are you sure you messaged the correct Maya? There are spam accounts out there. Just saying. So did you message the correct one? Because it is very likely that it was not me. Sorry about that. I can't stop that. Oh, I'm busy talking your ear off. Right over here. Here we go. Now we're back at the chitty charts. What's your... Well, I didn't get a message, so... What's your name on Discord? El Fiasco? Fiasca? Sorry, not Fiasco. Let's see. Okay. Sold along. I'm in this thing. Shoot. I'm sick of being sick. Da 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 da. TNT is just gonna bounce off a VWAP over there. It's Fiasco on Discord. I can guarantee you that I've not had a message from Fiasco on Discord, so you've got the wrong person. No, I can't even find you. Sorry, Fiasco. Don't mean to be the bearer of bad news, but that's not me. If it takes this out here, I might have to call it. I go for 10 points per trade. I close this one early. It's not terrible. Why'd you close this one early though? Yeah. This might be a proper retrace, but I'm in it. So we're going with it. It looks like this. This is the setup right here. Right there. Did it move to midpoint? Kind of. It did move to midpoint, which means I should theoretically now mitigate risk by half. Because those are my rules. Price reached midpoint, so I mitigate risk by half. And now, if it reaches that one level, I go to break even. I made 100k last year with micro scalping from prop rooms. That's insane. Well done. That's proper work there. Damn. This year you didn't do well in March. Yes, yeah, you did not do well in March and April. Why is that? What do you think happened? Hands off. Sorry, I wanted to move it to break even and I was like, leave it alone. Stick with your rules. The rules are when it reaches that one level, only then do you go to break even. Otherwise, hands stay off. Now it can go to break even. I'm gonna make it a tiny bit above. Okay, sticking with them rules. It looks like sunset on the east coast because of yeah. Is it sunset? Well, it's not really well, I guess it kind of is, hey. It's on east south coast over here, but it is kind of sunset. The sun's actually nearly set, which is wild. I know we have had the the shortest day and longest night already, but damn. it's kind of wild how quickly it happens. Should I watch this? Yeah, we're just gonna keep on having a conversation. It's now a no risk trade, so whatever happens, happens. And apparently it was a whoop whoop. Nice! I'm not gonna lie, I thought it was gonna edge me for a little bit there. I really, really, really thought it was gonna edge me for a bit there. But now we're back up to 807. On the dot. 807 on the dot. Well, Deb, we opposite. Wait, we don't get longest day till next month. No, see, so I was confused. I thought the 21st of July was the solstice. Apparently, not. When is the longest day? I thought it was July. I thought it was July. Apparently, it was June. Longest night. June. The winter solstice in South Africa is June the 21st. I thought it was July 21st. So yeah, for us, the shortest day, longest night happened June 21st. How wild? I don't have Reddit. Every 3 months, quick maps. But yeah, whoop whoop, we did have a little winner chicken dinner there. That was cool, and it was a nice little tick in and tick out. Literally tick in and tick out. Took the high and now is gonna be messing around a little bit. TP baby! We get whoop whoops over here. Whoop whoop for me. And anyone else? Anyone else get a whoop whoop? Some whoop whoop trades right over here. Like 2 does, but no, I'm not worried. OTT, that's still awesome. Green is green, right? And just in time. I might call it at that one winning trade. I know that's like quick. Is it quick? It's quickish. It's an hour. Ow. Wouldn't mind getting another one, but also don't want to be now dumb. And risk it. But we're back up to 8, so that was something. I mean, going back down to 6 was a bit like, But that was a very, very, very well called trade, Bob. Do I trade a single account? I do. Yeah. Okay. That might be me for today. Got a winner. I'm chuffed with that. I guess that's all she wrote, folks. Happy to end a little New York session like that in the green for the day. After a little red this morning. Thanks, Bob. yeah, like I said, I might just call it for today because I gotta do some more packing. And then tomorrow is the big packing day. Are you guys ready for the big packing? Well, I know it won't affect you guys, but tomorrow is the big packing day, which is wild. And then Friday, everything is collected, and then Saturday I drive up. So I don't know if you guys want a vlog of that. I mean, I can. If you all are keen on it, I'm happy to give it a go. But obviously, you know, I'm driving by myself and it is 8 hours, so I'll obviously be good. I won't be on my phone, but when I stop off, I can do a little vlog situation. But yes, I think I'm gonna call it there. That was an awesome win. I'm really, really happy with that. Believe it or not, I know I don't sound super happy, but I am super, super chuffed with that. I think I'm just now desensitized to everything. If it's a loss, whatever. If it's a win, whatever. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. Maybe it's a good thing to be so meh about all of it. What did you get today? Yeah, I got a win. Oh, cool. What did you get today? Yeah, I got a loss. Oh, okay. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing. But yes. Like I said, that's all, folks. A little bit sad. Hope you guys said bye to this place, those that aren't joining for London tomorrow. I will not be trading down here in New York session again. So I'm gonna call it there. End it on a green, because why not? That's how you do it. I love you guys madly. I will see you on the other side, unless I'm seeing you tomorrow morning, in which case I'll see you tomorrow morning very quickly. I might not even do a full length stream tomorrow. Let's see what the price action looks like. But I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. Thank you for always being thebomb.com. Okay, you guys are awesome sauce. I'm gonna call it there. Get a tiny bit more packing done. Okay, trade safe. Yes, make a vlog. Would like to hear how your travel goes. I'm on it. I'm on it. Okay, you guys are awesome. I love you madly. Thanks for always being there. Okay, catch you guys on the flippity flop.